how to do show me your mirror selfie on Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Instagram account, so make sure that you are to this page too. So if you want to add your chain story just like I showed you before, this one, you just have to follow the steps in this video. So first of all, you have to click on the search button from the bottom of the page and then search for Ali and John. You will see that it's very easy and you will find me right away. YTT at the end. So click on my account, and from here you have to click on story trends at highlights. So don't go to my story because that will disappear in one day, and I saved that story trend to my highlights. So click right here, and after that you have to go to my last story. And here I have it, show me your mirror selfie. So from here you have to click on add yours button. And after that you have to search at your uploads a selfie with you in the mirror. So I will go ahead and do that just for an example. This is not in a mirror story, but I will set it just like this. And if you don't have the add yours button, you can go to my YouTube account right now and you'll have right there what to do if you don't have the add yours button or it's not working. You can't click on that. So once you are here, you can adjust your sticker and then click on send to, and then to your story click on share, and then done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.